So guys, we're busy with long division method. I'm just gonna be quick. The long division method, guys. Okay, let me quickly write this question down first. This is 3. So ka long division method, you'd find out ka textbook about many different types of steps, but divide, multiply, subtract, and take down. Those are very important, guys. But nake critique my own things, my laws of long division method. Whereby so I'm gonna show you the laws which are the ring is kitchen actually take down, but in the simplest way. So now what I say I can remember we're not about to divide, multiply, subtract, and take down. Now law number 1, as long as a number on top of this symbol, I don't know what again take, but as long as number on top, it must multiply the number even come. I hope you heard me. The moment you get a number, we are over here. Maybe let's say you take 4 where we are more. This 4, for the factor iduji on top of this, whatever symbol is this, it must multiply with that 3. Whichever number it iduji muki. I hope it's clear. That is the first law you must always remember. Now the second law says that ready number levana in this way. These numbers must subtract each other, even 4 minus 8. As long as di ka lebana, whether as long as you have numbers like this, these numbers must subtract each other. And I'm specifically saying so if you have 240 and then wabali 20, our 240 minus 20, we got 24 minus 20. I get only they must subtract each other. Now the last law after subtracting, because subtract, as soon as you subtract, you must take down. Okay, get lost 3. Whenever number iduji on top over here, so you multiply the number here and whenever the number delevana, those numbers must subtract each other. And then after subtracting, you must take down. Take down. So the first step that I usually do go this thing I enter calculator or give one or final answer so you can use a calculator in part 243. So I reveal aside highlight 243. This is supposed to be our final answer. So let's calculate. Yella reveal aside. Let's calculate. We are given 729 divided by 3. You can just this 7. I divide by 3. That's our first step always. And then because remember that the numerator must always be bigger than the denominator. So I want our 7 if it's 3 or a sharp, I can calculate. But if ever overlay something like okay, let me give you an example. So overlay 1, 2, 3, and then maybe overlay 3 common. I go to just the first number which is 1, why divide the number common which is 3. So now numerator na kenyane. So this means re tlo ja ele 12, right? Ja ele 12, then wa bona okay ke holo then e sharp. Le ge o kare o maybe over 13 and then 1, 1, 2, 3. We go to the first number or 1 over 13. I wanna write 1 yaka kenyane, waija S11. Then still kenyane. So that's when we ja elite 2 as 1, 1, 2. Then you have a one divide. So always the numerator must be bigger than the denominator. So mokira our numerator na fit denominator, so it's fine. You see 7 divided by 3, it go for 2,3 blah 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 blah. Are you interested in the number after the comma? The only number here is this number here before the comma, which is 2. So we go jam my 2 here like I have over here. Then whenever number idulamo, what should you do? It must multiply with this 3. So you say 2 multiplied by 3 and it's gonna give you 6. Then 6 here like a kingwalam. No to ke mo 7. I get katile mo 7. So le answer get like rank 11 and 7 in that way. If ever maybe like example like ile feeling yona ele 3 1 2 3 o jere 1 wa fetsa re ke itjele 2 because wa bona re o fitlhile mo go 2 whatever number o tla ba o ikrile tshwanetse e fellele mo a swana go lebana le 1 a swana go lebana le 3 tshwanetse lebane le 2 because o feletse mo go 2 We will see that in other examples. So yes, showing 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Whenever the number di lebana, they must subtract each other. Na ke bona di number tša go lebana there. So ke tlo di subtract. Number tša ka tša go lebana a šitše tšona. Let me highlight them with a different color. Number tša ka tša go lebana a šitše ke 7 and 6. So you're going to say 7 minus 6 ya go fa the value of 1. Right? Yeah, 7 minus 6 it will offer the value of 1. So then over here. After we subtract, we must take down. Whenever one of it subtract, we must take down. So kitloja 2 like I take down via muki. Again, gastoshi 7 block like 6. Gastoshi 9 or skip 2. So you must take down 2. Then 2 like I one chaka error kija from mola hodimuki via mofas. Okay, so she will take it down. Now let's divide again. 12, the new number divided by number which is 3. So now you say 12 divided by 3, and then it's going to give you 4. Then you take that 4 over there. Then whenever one number mola is a multiply. Excuse me, multiply number so you're gonna say 4 multiplied by 3, and then you offer 12. So that's when 12 here. Remember fitlile mager fitlile mo go 2. That's why the number tša ka di felela gona mo di sa e ka kua. That's why ke sa engwa le so a ke engwa le so a ka tla ke fitla mo go 9. Remember, so 12 ya ka ke engwala. And then the number tša ka di lebane, when number di lebane, they must subtract each other. So you're gonna say 12 minus 12 ya go fa 0. Wa bona re zura ka ke ngwadile kae? Ke ngwadile mo ke feleletseng gona, a se ke engwale mo, ke ngwala mo ke feleletseng gona. So now, if you do subtract, whenever after you subtract, you must take down a number. So kija 9 there. Then you take this new number, which is 09, divide which is 3. Then you have 09 divided by 3, which is 3. So I take my 3 over there. So the number it must multiply the number so it's 3 multiplied by 3, and 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. It's 9. And then now you subtract Kastilabani, so you say 9 minus 9, and then it will far 0. And then give each. Why get give each? Because I wasn't a number I bring on down. I get give or after subtracting, I must bring down. So because I wasn't a number lowering I take a down, this means give each. And the answer get over there on top of my whatever sign this is. Which are my long division sign. So that my answer get 243. And yes, Rishimiste calculator lama tomo regular answer na get 243. So that is how you use your long division method. Yeah. So now you can pause the video I did to see if you understand. 13 divided by 17. Firstly, I'm gonna use my calculator to see what so divided by 17, and then it gives me the value of 289. This is answer ke expectile mafelelong ga long division. So let's calculate. Ke my first value, which is 4, I divide ka number ka montle, which is 17. Now ke bona numerator ka ke nyane, this means ke le 9 ya ba 49. You see? So now got 49 divided by 17 yampha the decimal of 2,8 something. 2,8 blah blah blah. Remember kinaga the number before the comma, which is 2, kijayona kaivia over there. And then 2 yela it will multiply 17 because it will so it will multiply 17, then you get 34. Remember if it more 9, so 34 yago it's like when like a reverse, like it will fell like mo you see that your numbers dilabani, so they must subtract each other. So you say 49 minus 34, and then you're gonna get 15. Then you write your 15. Then whenever for your subtractor, you must take down. So you take down that one ever moki, and then you take this new number. Yeah, after subtraction, 151. We divide the number level even come on. So you say 151 divided by 17, you get the value of 8, something. 8, blah blah blah. Got the first number, so you're gonna take that 8, and then you say 8 multiplied by number being common. So over 8 multiplied by 17, and then you get 100 and 136. Then the number chaka dilevani, so I'm gonna subtract. So when you say 151 minus 136, you get the value of 15. So 15 here. I get nka se ithome so ntse di fellele mo so it's like engwa la ka reverse guys ba ke krile 15 and then ke lebella gore okay ke felleditše mo so 15 ya ka ke tlo engwala like this, you see e fitla mo ke felleditšeng gona. After subtraction, what do? I take down my number, which is 3 like I like over here. So let me check guys gore ka re ke press the calculator. So far answer ra ke a tlhakana na ke press the calculator ampa 289 and then so far ke shete ke na le 28. So yes ya tlhakana ora re mo ke shota ka 9 fela I get. So I'm going there ke tšea my new number after taking down, which is 153. I divide the number which is 17. So 153 divided by 17, I get the value of 9. Straight 9. So ke 911 ke shota ka yona ke re 1. So ka ngwala over there. Then as long as number it must multiply le 11 ka kwantle. So you say 9 multiplied by 17 ya offer 153. So 153. Then number 11 they subtract each other and then or subtractor this one so click 0. So for the fact that if you subtractor and there's no number that I can bring down, this is my final answer, and my answer of 4,913 divided by 17, the answer is 289. So that's how you do it. So this one is going to give you a decimal, guys. This you apply the same knowledge. 174. So look what I'm gonna do here. Look at the first number again. 4 divided by 174. 4 Kenyan. So Gija S 42. Gija S 42. And then 42 still Kenyan. So Gija S 421. And then no corona eva and then that's when I subtract. Got 421. I mean not subtract but divide. 421 divided by 174. Then impart 2 comma something. 2 comma blah blah blah, and then I'm only interested in this number, so I take my 2 kengwala there, and then the number I do la mola sanity a multiply this number, so I say 2 multiplied by 174, then impart 348 number jaga de lebani, so I subtract them. Kevale 421 subtract 348 73 and pass 73. So if you just subtractor, this means I must take down. So when you take down 7 yawo etlamo, you have 737. Then I divide like 174. Number like wing kwantle. So 737 divided by 174, impart the value of 4 something. Kinagena this 4. So gija my 4 gave over there. The number it must multiply the number even come. So I'm gonna say 4 multiplied by 174, and then it gives me 4 multiplied by 174, and then it gives me 696. Number jaka de levane, they must subtract each other. 737 minus 696, and then it gives you 41. Subtract I also number I bring on down, or this is my final answer. Now level remember also need to be 0 mafelelong o shumisha long division. So just because also get 0 doesn't mean ration. It just means this 41 ki remainder. So what you do, go you say your answer is 24. It's like saying 4,217 divided by 174. The answer it will for 24. Even more deep. I get 24, but with a remainder. With a remainder of what? Remainder of which fast. This is your remainder, which is 41. It's your remainder because you can worry. There's nothing you can do. I also number you can bring on down. I also number you can multiply. This is your final answer. If you take your calculator, where 4217 divided by 174, it's gonna give you 24 comma something. So 24 yela mathomong a shion. Then the decimal tjela ka moka tja go latela. Ke ra di number tja go latela after the comma ke the remainder ya rena e reng ke 41. I get it. So that is your remainder, and that is how you calculate using the long division method. It's very simple. Just remember the loss. Whenever number idula on top over here is on multiplied number income. Whenever the number delevana like this, we have to subtract them. After subtracting, we can whatever value you must take down the number, and then which number you divide. Then the process you can repeat over and over again. That is long division method.